Today I'm showing you the best last-minute gifts you can just grab from IKEA for less than $25, most of them less than $20. Gift picking can get so overwhelming sometimes, so I've packed a list of 50 gifts that are not only affordable, but also practical and thoughtful. From home decor, kitchen accessories, electronics, there's something for everyone on your list. I'm On, by the way. Thank you so much for stopping by, and we are diving into our gifts right away. We're starting off with throw blankets. Throws just make the perfect gift, especially when it comes to the holiday season. We all like to cozy up with a throw by the fireplace while watching Netflix. And of course, IKEA has tons of budget throws. This one is my favorite. It's $14.99 and it comes in 3 different colors. Also, this one for $12.99 in this super soft boucle fabric. This one's so soft and it feels so cozy. It also comes in a dark gray. And if you're looking for an even more budget-friendly option, I got you. This crinkle knit throw with fringes is only $9.99 and it comes in several colors you can choose from. Now, if you're buying for someone super special, these two would be your best choice. They are a bit thicker and look a bit more masculine, but still neutral, which makes them a great gift for anyone. Another gift idea people will appreciate getting are scented candles. And of course, IKEA has lots of them. One of my personal favorites for this winter is this one. It comes in a ceramic jar together with a lid and has a few different colors and scents to choose from. I sniffed all of them and I have to say my personal favorite is the green one. It smells like freshly cut grass and honestly I'm all for it. A more budget-friendly option are these two. The dark green one has a spicy and warm feel of cedarwood and vanilla, and the purple one has a more summery feel of sweet peas and lilac. And when we're talking about candles, we have to mention IKEA's candelabras, which also make the best Christmas gift. They will just cozy up any space throughout the holidays. These metal ones from the Christmas collection are my absolute favorites. They are battery operated and come in 2 sizes, the 3-armed one for $19.99 and the single one for $16.99. And if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, you can also opt for these two. Now, if you're looking for something more functional to gift, phone accessories are the way to go. Check out this wireless charging stand with a bamboo base. This one's super practical and it looks stylish at the same time. Also, this one is a bestseller at IKEA. Trust me, anyone needs an extra charger, especially if it looks this cute. Bluetooth speakers are another thoughtful gift idea that's actually on my list this season. And this one from IKEA is not only small and practical, but based on the reviews I read, it's big when it comes to sound. Throw pillows are another great gift that anyone will appreciate. The great thing about getting someone a throw pillow is that they can basically use it anywhere in the house, and if they don't like it, they can just easily swap the cover to fit their personal style. One of my favorite and most budget-friendly pillows from IKEA are these ones. These are $7.99 and look so unique and so cute. IKEA changes up the patterns every season, and I just love these two available at this moment. Also, these circle ones are super cute and will make the best gift. Now, if you're shopping for someone extra special, I just have to mention my favorite pillow of them all. This one's a bit over budget. It comes at $27.99, but if you have a chance to see it in real life, you will know why the price is a bit higher. Not only it has this beautiful rich embroidery, but it also has a duck feather feeling, which makes it feel so fluffy and so comfortable. It truly feels luxurious. Next one is for the coffee and tea lovers, and I have a few products that would be perfect. First, as a coffee lover myself, I cannot recommend this French press coffee maker enough. This one comes at $12.99 and can be used for both coffee and tea. It comes in a smaller version too for $9.99. You can even pair it with these beautiful mugs. These are $3.99 and come in two gorgeous colors. If you're gifting someone that's more of a tea lover, then you can also pair these mugs with the matching teapot for $14.99. This is honestly my go-to gift for tea drinkers. If you want to opt for a more festive pattern, then this collection is for you. These mugs have this Swedish folk art printed on them and look just perfect for the holiday table setup. You can pair them with these side plates or with the matching table runner in the same pattern. Mugs and glasses are a great gift in general, and these wine glasses are another timeless gift idea. These are $17.99 for a pack of 4 and are honestly so elegant and so nice to look at. Just pair them with a nice bottle of wine and you're all set. Also, these cocktail glasses from the same collection, they're just stunning. And of course, kitchenware and tableware are probably the most practical gifts you can opt for. One of those gifts that are really timeless and people will use for years and years to come are cutting boards. And let me tell you, IKEA has a variety of beautiful cutting boards that can be used for both cutting and serving. This small one is super cute and is only $5.99. Just pair it with a nice cheese or a cheese knife and some herbs by choice, and you're all set. Also, this one in solid walnut just looks and feels so premium. This one's $19.99 and is not only practical but decorative too. And of course, I just cannot go on without mentioning probably the best cutting board IKEA ever invented, which is this bamboo one. This one has such a unique design, can be used for cutting, chopping, serving, even organizing. Such a smart and practical piece to gift anyone. Another gift idea you just cannot go wrong with is lighting, especially table lamps. And of course, IKEA has a variety of table lamps that will fit anyone's style. One of my favorite one is this cute little table lamp in colored glass. This one's $14.99 or $17.99 with LED light included. This would be a great gift for anyone who follows the latest trends, since this is such a modern piece, but at the same time a timeless one that will cozy up just any space. Also, this one for those who are more into the industrial style and like contrasting wood and metal. This one's $19.99. And another one in this trendy cane webbing for $21.99. If you're looking for something more festive that people will use throughout the holiday season, then these two would be your best choice. This paper star for $13.99 spreads the softest light. Also, the traditional star-shaped lampshade we all know and love can be paired with a lamp base and make the perfect festive gift for your friends or family. I already got this one and I'm gifting it to someone special. Festive is always the way to go, and IKEA has a whole collection of the baking tools and gadgets that make the best gift for the holiday season. First, this cover for rolling pin is just such a nice piece to gift anyone who loves baking. This one's $3.99. You can also pair it with this set of bamboo spatulas. Also, this pot holder is in that same holiday-inspired pattern and is only $3.99 for the set of 2. And of course, these super cute pastry cutters in 5 different shapes for $5.99. IKEA also has a few festive aprons you can choose from as a matching gift with these holiday baking supplies. They also come in a smaller version for children, which honestly can be such a fun way to include the kids in the baking and cooking process for the holiday gatherings. This one's $7.99 for the apron and matching hat and would make such a cute gift. Christmas ornaments will make another nice gift you can give to almost anyone. IKEA has so many Christmas tree ornaments to choose from, and there's literally something for everyone. You can check out my Christmas at IKEA walkthrough video, and I'll also link my favorite ones into the description box, along with everything else. And that wraps it up for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope I helped you pick out those last-minute gifts, and I really hope you liked my ideas. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you designers next week. Bye!